Today I'm going to show you how to use a basket as a centerpiece, and we're going to do a bunch of different looks. So the first look I'm going to start out with is I'm going to take one of our green leaf wreaths and I'm going to place it right in the middle of the basket. This is honestly awesome for year round, and I love adding a little bit of greenery in for fall. So to keep it neutral, I'm going to place one of our large linen pumpkins right in the center, and then two of the small ones just right here. And what I love about this look is that if this is in the center of your table, whether it's your kitchen, your dining room, your family room, it looks great from every angle, and it's not taking up that much room on your table. So you still have plenty of room to eat, or if you do your work at this table. So I love this look. I also want to show you a look without the wreath, but with these same pumpkins. We're gonna use the same basket. So we'll start with a neutral fall. So I'm just gonna kind of layer all of these pumpkins in there. I'm gonna add one with a little more height and kind of just do them a little wonky so it looks overstuffed, like they're spilling out. So I kind of wanna have that one there. The back, and then maybe let's put that one there. So you could stop there and just fill a basket with pumpkins and have that as your centerpiece. But if you want it to stretch out a little further, first I'm going to do a neutral look. So I'm going to add our neutral sprigs. And I'm just going to take that, place one on each side. That just gives you a much fuller look. And then you can kind of arrange them, but how simple is that? You really just throw a few things in the basket and it looks really nice. And this is so neutral that this can be fall, Halloween, you can really make it your own. But if you did want to add a little bit of orange, the pumpkins also come in the orange. So I am just going to take this one, hold the stem, and pop that in the back for a little extra color. And then I'll move this guy forward a little bit. I'll place him under there. So now you have a more traditional fall look with the oranges. And then you could even take some berry sprigs if you really want to get creative, and plop those in there. So the berries make it very fall, not really Halloween. You take these out. This could be Halloween, and you could also add in a cute little something specific to Halloween if you wanted. I think it's really cute. You could add this little spooky guy in there. And then this little dish towel is so cute. So you could have that kind of hanging out in there. So that's super simple to just plop those in once October hits for Halloween. And then you take them out again when you're ready to just have fall and Halloween is over.